Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise. Find integer a and b, then verify the equation a plus 2ab plus b is equal 22. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, it's now we have is plus 2ab plus b is equal 22. And to find the values of a and b, we must write it in two factors. And so now I multiply both sides of the equation with 2. So I get 2 and multiply a plus 2ab and plus b equal 2 and multiply 22. And now this we get 2a plus 4ab plus 2b equal 44. And now I add in both sides of this equation with 1. So I get 2a plus 4ab plus 2b plus 1. And this 44, okay, also plus 1. And now this, I take 2a out of factors. We get 2a's multiply 1 plus 2b. And plus this, we get 2b plus 1 and equal 45. You see this 1 plus 2b and this 2b plus 1 is the same. So now we take 2b plus 1 out of factors. We get 2b plus 1 and multiply 2a plus 1 equal 45. Okay, now we have to factor of this. So now we take 45 to the two of factors. And so now this, we know that 45 is also equal 1 and multiply 45. And also equal minus 1 and multiply minus 45. And also equal 3 and multiply 15. And also equal minus 3 and multiply minus 15. And also equal 9 and multiply 5. And equal minus 9 and multiply minus 5. Okay, now this we take if 2a plus 1 and multiply 2a plus, sorry, this 2b. Okay, this 2b plus 1 and multiply 2a plus 1 equal 1 and multiply 45. And so now this we have to the 2b plus 1 equal 1 and 2a plus 1 equal 45. And so now we get b is equal 0 and a is equal this 44 and divided by 2 equal 22. Okay, and all these 2b plus 1 equal 45 and 2a plus 1 is equal 1. And now we get this 2b equal 44 and b is equal 22 and the 2a equals 0 and a equals 0. And so now this we get a equal 0 and b equal 22, or a equal 22 and b is equal 0. And now this if 2b plus 1 and multiply 2a plus 1 equal minus 1 and multiply minus 45. And this we get 2b plus 1 equal minus 1 and 2a plus 1 equal minus 45. And now we get 2b equal minus 2 and b equal minus 1. And then we get 2a equal minus 46 and we get a equal minus 23. And these are 2b plus 1 equal minus 45. And 2a plus 1 equal minus 1 and we get 2b equal minus 46 and b is equal minus 23 and this to a equal minus 2 and a equal minus 1. And so now this a equals minus 23 and b equal minus 1 or a equal 1 and b equal minus 23. And so now this we have the values of is equal 3 and multiply 15. Okay, now if 2b plus 1 and multiply 2a plus 1 equals 3 and multiply 15. And so now this we get 2b plus 1 equals 3 and 2a plus 1 equals 15. And now this to b equal 2 and we get b is equal 1 and this to a equal 14 and a equals 7. And all these we get 2b plus 1 equal 15 and 2a plus 1 is equal 3 and we get b equals 7 and this a equal 1. So now this a equals 7, b equal 1, all a equal 1 and b is equal 7. And if 2b plus 1 and multiply 2a plus 1 equal minus 3 and multiply and minus 15. And so this we get 2b plus 1 equal minus 3 and 2a plus 1 is equal minus 15. And so now we get 2b equal minus 4 and we get b is equal minus 2 and this 2a equal minus 16 and we get a equal minus 8 and thus all 2b plus 1 equal minus 15 and 2a plus 1 equal minus 3 and this 2b equal minus 16 and get b equal minus 8 and this 2a equal minus 4 and a equal minus 2 and this we get a equal the minus 8 and b equal minus 2 or a equal minus 2 and b equal minus 8. And now we have the if to b and plus 1 and multiply to a and plus 1 equal 9 and multiply 5. And so now this we get 2b and plus 1 equal 9 and to a and plus 1 equal 5 and we get b equal 8, and we get b equal 4, and this to a equal 4, and we get a equal 2, and all 2b plus 1 equal 5, and 2a and plus 1 equal 9. We get 2b equal 4, and we get b is equal 2, and 2a is equal 8, and we get a is equal 4. And this we get a equal 2, b equal 4, or a equal 4 and b is equal 2. And if the final of a to b plus 1 and multiply to a and plus 1 equal minus 9 and multiply minus 5, and we get this 2b plus 1 is equal minus 9, and 2a plus 1 is equal minus 5, and we get this 2b is equal minus 10, and we get b is equal minus 5. And this 2a plus 1 equal minus 5, and we get 2a equal minus 6, and a equal minus 3. And all 2b's and plus 1 equal minus 5, and 2a plus 1 is equal minus 9. And we get 2b equal minus 6, and b is equal minus 3. And these 2a equal minus 10, and a equal minus 5. And now this a equal minus 3, and b equal minus 5, or a equal minus 5 and b equal minus 3. And so now we have w value of a and b is equal is first 0s and 22s, or 22 and 0, and minus 23 and minus 1, or minus 1 and minus 23, or 7 and 1, and 1 and 7. Okay, and this minus 8 and minus 2, or minus 2 and minus 8, and these 2s and 4, or 4 and 2, and the final of it's minus 3 and minus 5, or minus 5 and minus 3 is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.